Hello, Emily here from Homemade Emily Jane, and today I'm very excited to share with you my newest quilt pattern, the Jubilant Quilt Pattern. This is a fun, modern triangle quilt pattern that I am sure you're gonna love. Jubilant actually includes two different versions, a scrap-friendly version, which is perfect for using fat quarters or fabrics in your stash, or a two-color version where you combine all the triangles into one fabric and then you just have that fabric and the background. Once you've mastered the classic half square triangle, it's time to take your skills up a notch with this fun half rectangle triangle. This pattern is perfect for trying out a new technique or skill and is a really simple way to master the half rectangle triangle. The Jubilant Quilt Pattern includes 4 different sizes. Baby, lap, throw, and bed sizes are all included in the pattern, which you can find on my website, or you might even find a paper pattern like this at your local quilt shop. If your quilt shop does not carry Homemade Emily Jane patterns yet, go ahead and just ask the shop owner why not and see if they could get some in for you. They should be able to get all my patterns through their favorite distributor. Next up, let's talk about the fabric requirements needed for making your own Jubilant quilt. As I mentioned earlier, you can use scraps, fat quarters, or even do the two-color version. But if you're using fat quarters, you're gonna need at least 6 fat quarters to make a throw size like this one, which is really not that many fat quarters for a throw size, and then 15 if you're gonna make the bed size. If you're going to make the baby or the lap size quilt, you can use fewer fat quarters, but I would actually recommend just using more different fabrics for a little bit more variety in your fabrics. Here are all the fabric requirements for all the sizes. You can go ahead and take a look. You can also find these inside the pattern or on the back cover of the paper pattern. Next up, let's talk about cutting out these half rectangle triangles that we use in the Jubilant pattern. When you open up your pattern, whether you have the PDF version or the paper booklet, it'll come with a template page to use. The template page looks a little bit something like this and has the exact rectangle triangles that you need to cut. You can go ahead and use your template. I always recommend making a copy of it so that you have it saved for later as well. Or you can actually use rulers or AccuQuilt to cut out your triangles. So lots of different cutting options and a lot of different rulers will work. So I'll go ahead and link some of my favorites in the description below, but I'll share with you this one is the triangle and a square ruler. It actually comes as a set with a triangle that also goes together with this side triangle. We're just going to use the sides. So if you happen to know about my Bonanza quilt pattern, we use these same rulers, so it'll keep it a little bit more simple for you. AccuQuilt does make a shape that works perfectly for this, so you could make this quilt using AccuQuilt, and the pattern includes separate AccuQuilt instructions as well. If you don't have these triangle and a square rulers, you might have a different compatible ruler as well already in your stash. So go ahead and check the description below for some of my recommendations. Or if you need to purchase a ruler, if you want to purchase a ruler, you can find these exact ones in my shop. As I mentioned, this pattern is AccuQuilt friendly. I personally love using my AccuQuilt for cutting out the triangles, and then I just switch over and use a stripology ruler to cut out all of the sashing and borders because that's my personal preference. I highly recommend trying it out. If you have not used a stripology ruler yet, definitely look into it. It is a bit of an investment. I got mine as a birthday gift, but it is one of my most used quilting tools. I cannot recommend it enough. I'll drop a link to grab one in the description below. I personally use the Stripology XL ruler, and it is a total lifesaver. Next up, let me share with you a little bit about the Jubilant Quilt Kits that I have available for you in my shop. This is one of them, this brightly colored Jubilant quilt that I have behind me. It includes these 6 fat quarters for all of those beautiful colored triangles. It also includes binding fabric in this really pretty seafoam green, and then of course background fabric in this solid Riley white. All of these fabrics are Riley Blake Designs solids and basics, so there's some fun blenders in there for a little bit of texture. And then of course this quilt kit also includes the Jubilant Quilt Pattern. The second kit that I have available also includes the pattern. It also has these beautiful 6 fat quarters. You can see there's some blue, green, gold. It's a really pretty outdoorsy, nature-inspired bundle. Then it has this blue binding, and this color, it looks white on camera, I know, but it's actually called Latte. It's a really pretty creamy background color, which really just adds some warmth to these fabrics that it's with. Let me show you some pictures of what this bundle quilt kit looks like. This is my woodlands inspired Jubilant quilt, and it is actually selling really quick in my shop. So if you want to grab this fabric bundle quilt kit, make sure you head to the link in the description below and grab it while they're available. Again, these are all Riley Blake designs, a mix of solids and blender basics, all really great high quality quilt shop fabrics. I hope you've been inspired to make your own Jubilant quilt, whether you use 2 colors or scraps, fabrics from your stash, or brand new back quarters. I really hope you just dive on in and really enjoy making these half rectangle triangles into this fun quilt pattern. If you are ready to start making your Jubilant quilt, I would love to invite you to sew with me. I'm actually hosting a Jubilant Quilt Sew Along starting on Monday, March 6th. We're going to take 5 weeks together to make our Jubilant quilt tops. As a very special bonus, I don't want you to miss this. When you sign up for the Sew Along, make sure you do so. I'll link it in the description below for you. When you sign up for the Sew Along, you get a coupon code for my shop where you'll save 20% on the purchase of your Jubilant pattern or quilt kit. There's no cost to sign up for the Sew Along, so it really is a no-brainer. Go ahead and sign up today. Let me cover the Sew Along schedule real briefly with you. The first week, March 6th, we're going to start just picking out our fabrics and making sure that we get our fabrics and our pattern. Read through the pattern so that you kind of know where we're going on from there. The following week, starting March 13th, we'll cut out our fabrics using your preferred cutting method of choice. Maybe that's with templates, rulers, or AccuQuilt, as I mentioned earlier. The third week, starting on March 20th, we will be making our half rectangle triangles. I am hoping to have a new tutorial up on my website to walk you through the process needed. Of course, the pattern does include step-by-steps, but I know I love a good tutorial too. So be on the lookout for that. After we make our half rectangle triangles, week 4, starting on March 27th, we'll be adding our sashing in between our triangles and making our blocks. And then week 5, we'll round it out, finishing up our quilt top, adding our sashing and our borders. And then the sew along will come to an end, but of course you can get it quilted or quilt it yourself. And we'll all have some really beautiful Jubilant quilts that we all made together. Now, at the time of recording this video, I haven't gathered all the Sew Along sponsors yet. I'm waiting on some replies, but I will share we have some really exciting ones that I want to share with you now. First off, Metler Thread is one of my favorite thread companies. They're going to sponsor a prize for a giant 28 spool thread set of cotton thread. So you'll get pretty much every color imaginable in cotton thread, so you'll have it for your next quilting project. Another potential prize that you could win is from Riley Blake Designs. They normally put together a pretty good prize pack with some fabrics or notions. And then another prize that we'll have available is a fabric bundle from my friend Mandy over at Social Stitch. She makes some really incredible bundles, and I'm excited to get to offer one to one lucky winner. And of course, I'll be sharing some prizes as well throughout. One of the fun prizes that I'll have is this quilty baseball cap with this little sawtooth star embroidered on it. So this is one of the prizes. I'll also be giving away some quilt patterns and maybe even a fabric bundle too. If you are an international quilter, I really want you to be able to join and be eligible for prizes as well. Not all of the prizes will be able to be shipped internationally, so if you are an international prize winner, just know that you'll be able to get some PDF downloads from my shop for some new patterns in lieu of the physical prize. So if you're ready to join me and make a Jubilant quilt with me, go ahead and check out the link below. Sign up for the Sew Along. Find all the details over on my website as well, and we'll get started to get sewing together. Finally, let me know in the comments below which version of the Jubilant quilt kits you like the best, and make sure you grab yours over in my shop. Happy sewing!